watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
This modern farmhouse bedroom style blends the rustic charm of farmhouse decor with the sleek, clean lines of contemporary design. Perfect for creating a warm and inviting space, modern farmhouse style is all about comfort and simplicity. Today, we'll share inspiring ideas to help you transform your bedroom into a cozy retreat. Wrought bed with contrasting bedding. A catchy modern farmhouse bedroom featuring a wrought bed with contrasting bedding, a printed rug, stained nightstands, and a chandelier. Dark stained wooden beams and shabby chic dresser. Chic modern farmhouse bedroom with dark stained wooden beams, an upholstered bed with neutral bedding, a woven pendant lamp, and a shabby chic dresser. White walls and forged bed. A chic bedroom with white walls, a forged bed, wooden furniture, and touches of play for a classic farmhouse look. Wooden beams and black grass cloth wallpaper. This chic modern farmhouse bedroom includes wooden beams, black grass cloth wallpaper, a black frame bed, black nightstands, and a leather bench. Whitewashed wooden wall and pink bedding. Cozy farmhouse bedroom featuring a whitewashed wooden wall, whitewashed furniture, pink bedding, greenery, and a storage basket. Forged bed and a niche. A cozy farmhouse space with a forged bed and a niche, a white bench, baskets, and a wooden beam with lace curtains for a quaint touch. Gray paneled walls and wrought bed. Cute and welcoming modern farmhouse bedroom with gray paneled walls, a wrought bed with neutral bedding, a stained bench, baskets, and a potted tree. White wooden plank walls and sphere chandelier. This cute modern farmhouse bedroom has white wooden plank walls, a forged bed, a sphere chandelier, shelves, and greenery. Forged bed and wooden nightstands. Dreamy farmhouse bedroom with a forged bed, wooden nightstands, a wooden bench, storage baskets, and greenery. Wooden beam with curtains. Dreamy farmhouse bedroom featuring a wooden beam with curtains, a wooden candle lantern, baskets, and pretty bedding for a romantic feel. Dark wooden beams and neutral bedding. Farmhouse bedroom with dark wooden beams, a neutral bed, a wooden bench, a creamy chair, neutral bedding, and a printed rug for added warmth. Wooden beams and candle lanterns. Cozy farmhouse bedroom with wooden beams on the ceiling, wooden furniture, neutral bedding, and candle lanterns. Gray modern farmhouse bedroom. This bedroom features wooden beams, a large upholstered bed with neutral bedding, and a wooden chest. Windowsill daybeds and brick fireplace. Lovely modern country bedroom with windowsill daybeds, a fireplace clad with bricks, a bed, and a printed chair for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Pale blue paneled walls and cane bed. Modern coastal farmhouse bedroom with pale blue paneled walls, a cane bed, pale blue chairs, white nightstands, and a bead chandelier. Light blue half wall and windowsill desk. Modern country bedroom with a light blue half wall, a windowsill desk, a vintage chair, potted plants, and neutral bedding. Attic ceiling and sitting nook. Modern country bedroom with an attic ceiling and lots of windows, wooden beams, a built-in fireplace, cool furniture, and a sitting nook by the window. Attic ceiling and wooden beams. Modern country bedroom with an attic ceiling, wooden beams, skylights, open shelves, wooden furniture, and a large bed for a welcoming space. Dark stained wooden beams and non-working fireplace. Modern country bedroom with dark stained wooden beams, a non-working fireplace, neutral furniture, and neutral textiles. Gray planked walls and black forged bed. Modern country bedroom with gray planked walls, a black forged bed, neutral bedding, a wooden bead chandelier, and a basket for storage. We hope these ideas inspire you to bring the welcoming charm of modern farmhouse style to your bedroom. By blending rustic elements with contemporary touches, you can create a cozy retreat that feels both stylish and inviting. Happy decorating!